Honey soap has several natural properties which are beneficial to the skin. It's nourished and has a versatile choice for natural skincare routine. And so welcome guys. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to make honey soap. So we start by cutting our soap base into cubes. And I'm using 400 grams of soap base for this. Honey soap is suitable for all skin type as its gentle nature makes it appropriate for a wide range of skin type, including sensitive, dry, oily, and combination skin. Honey soap is a deep moisturizer as it helps to retain moisture in the skin. This helps to keep the skin hydrated, soft, and smooth, making it ideal for dry and sensitive skin. And after cutting the soap base into cubes so that they can dissolve easily, I'll be transferring them into a bowl. Take to the stove top for double boiling. Honey soap contains natural enzymes that can help gently remove dead skin cells, promoting a smoother and more radiant complexion without harsh scrubbing. And as I double boil the soap base, I'll stir at interval until it dissolves completely. Also, the natural antibacterial properties in honey soap can cleanse the skin and reduce acne-causing bacteria. This makes honey soap effective for managing breakouts and maintaining a clearer skin. And once the soap base is completely dissolved, I'll be adding to it 2 tablespoons of honey and stir together. And after adding 2 tablespoons of honey to it and stir together, I also add to it 0.5 tablespoons of coconut oil. Then stir together. And next I'll be adding 0.5 tablespoons of glycerin. I also stir together for all the ingredients to be well combined. And next I'll be transferring it into a mold. So I'll fill the mold with the honey soap, set aside and allow to rest for between 5 to 6 hours for it to solidify. You can also put in the refrigerator for it to solidify quickly within an hour. Please, if this is your first time of seeing my videos, I want to say thank you so much for clicking to watch. Kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell as I have more great videos for you. And this is like the 5th hour. You can see that our honey soap has solidified. Next, I'll be removing it from the mold. Honey soap is rich in antioxidants, which protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals, which contribute to signs of aging. This helps to maintain youthful look and healthy looking skin. Honey soap promotes natural skin glow. It hydrates and gently exfoliates skin, thereby enhancing the skin natural glow and leaving it looking refreshed and revitalized. Honey soap also soothes skin irritation. Honey soap contains anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe and calm irritated skin, promoting relief from conditions like eczema and minor rashes. And now let's test the foaming ability of the honey soap. So I've just washed my hand with it. As you can see from the video, it came with a great lather. Please kindly like this video, comment and share. Thanks for watching.